and we have sports today, so and that road goes to that bush. Hey guys, I'm in school right now and it's a weekend on a Saturday, of which I should have gone to church, but I didn't because I'm trying to work on my school project for last year. Yeah, for my third year, and I have a video idea for you guys. I want to like film a video about my school. Yeah, as you can see, I'm next to a certain building right here, and this one is LBB. It is a laboratory block for different laboratories, engineering, computer science, and all of that. But today I'm working on my project. I always come to school to work on my project because when I'm in the house, I get distracted a lot by my little baby Zana. So it becomes really hard to set my mind to do something while she's there sleeping or crying or doing whatever, or just awake. I just get distracted wherever it is. So I always find it easier to come over this way to do my stuff, be it studying, be it doing whatever I want in peace without being distracted. How my school looks like and how everything looks like in Masinde Muliro University of Science and Technology. Yeah, so I guess I'll show you guys around, because once I'm done with documenting my project, I'll show you guys around, and then yeah, you'll get to know my school. Let's go, guys. Okay, like I said, this side, this is LBB. Okay, so this is how the school looks like around LBB, and that road goes to that bush where some people fall to their hostels or their rental houses, wherever that is. And that one down there, that building there, is for, I think, engineering students. They have these kind of metallic stuff, I don't know, those electronic stuff in there. That's where they do, I don't know, their practicals or whatever. And then, like I say, this is LBB, so I've gone round, so I'll take you guys this way. So I don't know if you guys can see anything, but that over there is the little hospital that we have. I'll go a little bit closer so you guys can see. It's written Tunza, and then here we have a parking lot, and then the other building down there is a clinic. All of the three buildings. Yeah, so the one at the back, let me show you closer. The one at the back, the building that you see, this building, it is med. It is like for medical students, those people who do like laboratory things or whatever, I don't know, medical students and all that kind of things. So here is the laboratory tuition block. Here is where people wash their hands. I'm acting a little bit shy, but if you can see, there's some people in the clinic. And then here's the parking lot. It's on a Saturday, so people are not there. At least I'm not afraid to film. And then the building I told you guys is that one. That one is called Med. There's another building across it. I'll show you guys later. And then what else? Okay, there is this building. That building is called SPD. So SPD has labs for students doing pharmacy, things like that, biology things, chemistry things, physics things. And then there is also our department is there. That one is computer science. There is IT in that same building, and it is called SPD. Yeah, so the building next to it, I'm not really sure about it, the small building. I'm also not sure of this one because I always just pass it. I've never gone there. So let's go closer. Jesus, I feel a little bit shy doing this kind of thing because I've never done it. Thank God we have masks, so no one is seeing me talk. And then we have this building is there. Okay, you won't see it. There's some trees over there. Okay, this building, this small building that you see is the University Bookshop. You guys can see it has been written. That one is like a shop where people buy stuff. And then this one, we have a path right here that goes all the way to the gate. So as you can see here, there's written University Bookshop. Here, this one is Mayor. This building is called Mayor. And then as you can see, so if you go downwards, that one is LBB. That one is SPD, like I said. And then that one is the clinic, like our small hospital. And then there's a building here, the small, you can't see it clearly, guys, you won't see it. So there's a building right there. That one is the Med that I talked about. And then this one is the Mayor. So in case someone is coming to Mmust, I hope this video will be a little bit helpful for you guys. So this one is Mayor. So it is written auditorium. If you can be able to, let me try zoom it. Yeah, it's written auditorium Mayor. And then it is the same building for like education students. This is their department. This is where the education department is in Mayor. Yeah, so we are going up to the gate because I've started from the bottom. I don't know where to go right now, but that building there is the library. Jesus, this is the library. Okay, I won't finish filming today, I guess, because I feel like it's going to rain really soon. But I hope you guys are seeing the library well. So that is the bookshop. You go upwards, then that is the library. Then yeah, let's go towards the gate. And then this side we have education department connected to Mayor. I think the whole of this place, it's just called Mayor. And then that one, I'm not sure of that building, by the way, because I've never been there, but I guess it's also the education department or something. I'm not really sure, guys, I'm not sure. Okay, let's go this way. So this school is kind of big. I won't finish today, but it's not as big as other universities. It's just moderate. So it's bushy, by the way. It's really bushy, and then we have another building the other side. I don't know what to film right now. So there's a building, that building over there. That one is the new building of Mmust. It is called ECA, that building. Don't confuse ECA with Med, because we are from Med right now. We are going upward, and that one is ECA. And then as you can go like that, you see that orange building. That one is the administration block, where we have the admin, VC, people like that. Yeah, so we also have the finance in that orange building. It is just a few meters from the library. As you can see, the library is right here, and right there we have the orange building, which is the administration block. And then there is a parking lot just next to the administration, and then this place is just open. Like the other side is just bushy or something, I don't know, whatever. But before you get to the bush, there is that road that I showed you guys before. Yeah, so the road extends to going downwards. So yeah, from ECA we go upward. I hope you guys don't get confused, because the next time I'll be filming from the gate coming inside, and I don't know when that day will be. I'm not sure. So I'm getting a little bit scared, because everyone who is passing by is looking at me. It's my first time filming outside like this. I've never done this, by the way. I've never vlogged this. It's just weird. People are passing and they're just looking at me. I feel scared. Let me zoom. So next time I'll carry my lens, my phone lens, so you guys can see better. So that one is the administration block, and then there is a parking lot in front of the library right there. There's a parking lot in front of the administration block, and we have sports today, so whatever. This is the field from, I said that is ECA, so from ECA going this way is just field. And then that building that you guys can see over there, that one is the multipurpose hall for this school. I'm not done filming this video. I can't finish it today, that's for sure, because it seems like it's also going to be raining really soon, and I have to rush home before it rains. So right now we have a tournament between most, I don't know which school is that, I think it's UN, and people are in school. Like, I'm moving towards a really large crowd watching this tournament. So you guys, I don't think I can film there. Please God, give me the courage. I can't. No way. So that is the multipurpose hall. I'll come next time so that I can film from the gate. The gate is just, the entrance is just this way, going upwards, and then the exit, I'm going to exit with this side, going like that. So you guys will see me exit. But I think that one is enough for today, and the next time I will be a little bit detailed about my school, because anyway, what am I to lose if people see me filming or vlogging? Okay, you guys, I'll wrap up with that today, and then tomorrow or the day after tomorrow I'll film the rest of the school. But right now, as you can see, there is a large crowd over there. Oh yeah.